today's tooltip, I'll show you a new function and also how to view the report. Now, the Laser Ultra profile using the Laser Ultra was not part of the SPC reports in the past, but now we have the Laser Ultra profile. We have the mean, which is displayed here within the upper and lower tolerances. We also have the positive value and the negative value. So all this has been displayed in the current SPC charts. And I'll also show you how to view reports. So if you want to view the report for this and export that, once you pause the mouse on this the historic data for a few seconds, you get to see the export PDF and export CSV. So you can export this into a PDF and see all the functionalities like the CP, CPK, the mean, all the calculations. And also you can export this into a CSV and then generate your own reports. So all this functionalities has been added to the new SPC, and it's a complete revamp of the old SPC software with several additional functions, and the customers who currently has SPC in RN34 or older versions will get this SPC charts as part of the RN35 upgrades.